DDU, Display Driver Uninstaller, DDU, causing mouse and keyboard not to work? When DDU causes mouse and keyboard problems, it can be quite frustrating. Let's troubleshoot this. 1. Windows Safe Mode. If you haven't already, boot your computer into safe mode. DDU is most effective when used in safe mode. To do this, restart your computer. As it boots up, repeatedly press the F8 key, or Shift plus F8, until you see the Advanced Boot Options menu. Choose Safe Mode or Safe Mode with Networking. 2. Run DDU again. Once in safe mode, run DDU again to uninstall your display drivers. Follow these steps. Launch DDU. Select your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Click Clean and Restart. After the restart, Windows will install default display drivers. 3. Manually install drivers. After rebooting, manually install the latest display drivers for your GPU. Visit the official website of your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the appropriate drivers. 4. Check USB connections. Sometimes, DDU can inadvertently affect USB drivers. Ensure that your mouse and keyboard are properly connected to USB ports. 5. System Restore. If the issue persists, consider using System Restore to revert your system to a point before running DDU. This can help if DDU caused critical changes. Remember to create a System Restore point before making any changes. If you're still having trouble, consult your GPU manufacturer's support resources or seek professional assistance.